On the left, Free Grok AI offers a simple, accessible interface, but with Super Grok AI, you unlock advanced analytics and real-time insights. Hey guys, have you ever felt stuck with Free Grok's 6-second videos? Today, I'll show you how to unlock Super Grok, the advanced AI, and there's a 7-day free trial for you to test it yourself.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
Let's start with Free Grok. Most people know this version. It creates 6 seconds video at 480p, enough for quick thumbnails or mini clips, but not full tutorial. Here is an example of a video I made using Free Grok. Now let's move to Super Grok. To test it, you can register for 7 days free trial. Here is how. You go to the Super Grok website. You click to start a free trial and it will direct you to where. Then you fill your email and create your account. That's it. You can now access advanced feature. Unlock the full power of Grok longer conversation in chat with Grok 4.1 fast and expert mode. Try for 7 days. Make more images, videos, with image 1.0 longer 720p videos, longer voice mode, priority access during peak time, early access to new features. Next, we create the avatar that we guide our tutorial using Super Grok. I made it professional and friendly, expressive and engaging, branded outfit, clean background. Now, let's see Super Grok in action. Unlike Free Grok, it generates longer video, that is 10 seconds, not limited to 6 seconds, higher resolution, advanced visuals, lighting, and AI characters. Here is an example of a video I created with Super Grok AI.
Super Grok is perfect for tutorials, intros, and professional content. And right now, you can try it for 7 days free. Explore the free version with these features or upgrade to Super Grok for advanced analysis. Subscribe and join our WhatsApp community for more AI tutorials. Let's create, learn, and grow together.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.